Hey there, in our previous video we have seen about what is placebo effect. Now we will learn about what is nocebo effect. It's like the evil twin of the placebo effect. Today, I'll unravel this fascinating phenomenon for you in easy-to-understand terms, with some eye-opening examples. Imagine you're at the doctor's office, and they prescribe you a new medication. But here's the catch. The doctor mentions that this medicine might have some side effects, like nausea or headaches. Your brain is a powerful thing. If you start worrying about those potential side effects, your mind can actually make them happen. This is what we call the nocebo effect. So, even if the medicine itself is harmless, your belief in those side effects can lead to real discomfort. It's like your brain saying, well, if you think it's going to make you nauseous, I'll make you feel nauseous. This isn't just a random occurrence. It's been observed in clinical trials. Some participants are told they might experience side effects, even if they're taking a placebo, a sugar pill with no actual medicine. And guess what? They often report feeling those side effects. Anxiety and fear can play a big role in the nocebo effect. If you're anxious about a procedure or surgery and you believe it will be painful, your brain can make the pain feel worse than it actually is. Healthcare professionals have to be really careful about how they communicate potential risks to patients. They want to provide necessary information, but they also need to prevent the nocebo effect from making things worse. It's not just in medicine, either. Cultural beliefs and social influences can trigger the nocebo effect. If you grow up hearing stories about how something is bad or harmful, you might experience those negative effects when you encounter it, even if it's not harmful at all. The nocebo effect shows us how powerful our minds are. It's a reminder that our thoughts and beliefs can shape our physical experiences. But it also highlights the importance of positive and reassuring communication, both in healthcare and in our everyday lives. So, next time you're facing a medical procedure or trying a new treatment, remember the nocebo effect. Stay positive, focus on the good, and your mind might just make the experience a whole lot better.